Hello, good morning, everyone. I would like to pass this message to every math teacher out there. I am pleading, please, each and every one of us should go back to their respective classrooms. Tell your kids or students that B in board maths does not mean to expand the bracket, rather to simplify what is right inside. For example, if you have a parenthesis, which we normally call bracket, though it is not the bracket, but it is the parenthesis. If you have a parenthesis with 2 plus 1 inside, the B in the board mass is saying that you should simplify that 2 plus 1, which is going to make it 3. Or even if it is 2 multiplied by 3, inside the parenthesis, simplify it, which is going to be 6. But any number outside parenthesis, the relationship between that number and the parenthesis is multiplication. You should know that. And that's what we call expansion. Whenever you have something outside the bracket, the moment you try to open the bracket, what you are doing is expanding the bracket, not simplifying what is right inside that bracket. So I posted two, I think, different expressions. 9 divided by 3, then with a bracket, another 3. And also I have another 9 divided by the whole of a bracket with 3 multiplied by 3 inside. So you should know that you're going to have entirely different answers. The other one will give you 1, while the other one will give you 9. For that one that has a 3 outside the bracket, you should know that between that 3 and that bracket, there is a multiplication. That is the relationship. So if you follow the idea of board mass, since B comes first, which is the bracket, you have nothing inside the bracket to simplify other than that 3. So you have to know that the relationship between that 3 and the 3 outside is multiplication. So you have to start with division, because we have O, which stands for orders, which is missing. Then we have multiplication and division. And you should know that multiplication and division have the same strength when it comes to simplifying any expression. You have to start with anyone that comes first from left to right. So since we have division before multiplication, you have to take 9 divided by 3, which is going to give us 3. Then that 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 9. But in this case, where you have both 3's under the parentheses and they are multiplying each other, you have to start with that bracket, which is 3 times 3, 9. Already you have another 9 outside waiting to divide the content inside the parentheses. 9 divided by 9 will give us 1. But that B under board mass does not mean to expand, rather to simplify whatever is inside the parentheses. Thank you.